If you ever come to Hanoi, there is one place you simply cannot miss: Hanoi Train Street. It's one of the most unique experiences in the city, and perhaps in the entire world. Imagine sitting at a cafe, sipping a strong Vietnamese coffee, when suddenly a roaring train passes just inches away from you. The sound, the vibration, the rush of adrenaline, it's unforgettable. Hanoi Train Street winds its way through the Old Quarter, along Le Duan, Tran Phu, and especially Phung Hung Street, the most lively section. What makes it so special is how daily life and the railway coexist. Families cook, children play, and locals relax with coffee, all just a few steps from the tracks. The story of this street begins in the late 19th century, during the French colonial era. French engineers laid the first tracks through the city to connect Hanoi with the rest of Vietnam. The railway soon became the heartbeat of trade and travel. During the Vietnam War, bombs fell and the city shook, but the tracks endured. They were more than steel and wood, they became a symbol of resilience. Generations of Hanoians lived, worked, and built their lives along these rails, turning a narrow alley into a living piece of history. Today, as you walk along the tracks, you'll see that blend of past and present. Murals celebrate the old Hanoi of trams and street vendors. Rustic houses stand side by side with brightly painted cafes. Here you can enjoy a drip coffee or Hanoi's famous egg coffee for just $1 to $3. Popular cafes include 30 Train Coffee, Sangha 62, MER Café, and Hao Hao Coffee, each giving you a perfect front row seat to the passing trains. And it's not only coffee. The air is filled with the aroma of pho, grilled meats, and local specialties. Eating by the tracks is as much a part of the experience as watching the train itself. If you want to catch the train, timing is everything. On Le Duan Street, trains pass at 6:10 a.m., 11:40 a.m., 3:30 p.m., 6 p.m., 7:10 p.m., 7:50 p.m., and 9 p.m. At Phung Hung Street, you can see them at 8:30 and 9:30 in the morning, 11:50 a.m., mid-afternoon, and several evening times between 7:30 and 10 p.m. On weekends, trains run as early as 6 a.m. To get the best view, arrive about half an hour before, since cafes and sidewalks fill up quickly. For photographers, this is a dream. Every corner tells a story. Colorful lanterns, crumbling facades, children playing, locals pulling in their chairs just seconds before the train passes. A wide-angle lens is perfect to capture the narrow alley and the massive locomotive in one breathtaking shot. As evening falls, Train Street transforms. The lights of the cafes glow, the chatter grows louder, and anticipation fills the air. Then the whistle blows. In a flash, the train roars through, lights blazing, wheels clattering, just inches from where you stand. The crowd gasps, cameras snap, hearts race, and then, as quickly as it came, the train disappears into the night, leaving behind laughter, applause, and an unforgettable memory. But remember, as thrilling as it is, safety comes first. Never stand directly on the tracks. Always follow the guidance of cafe owners and railway staff. Keep your children close and stay behind the safety lines. The best view is always from inside a cafe, where you can enjoy the moment safely. What makes Hanoi Train Street so special is not just the train itself, but the people. Generations of families have lived here, adapting their lives around the railway. Their warmth and resilience have turned this narrow alley into a global attraction. For them, it is home. For you, it is a chance to step into the living history of Hanoi. So, if you are visiting Hanoi, don't miss this one-of-a-kind experience. Come for the coffee, the food, the photos, and above all, the thrill of standing just a breath away from a speeding train. Hanoi Train Street is more than a tourist stop. It is a postcard of the city's soul, where past and present meet on the sound of the rails. And before you go, if you enjoyed this journey with us, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow our channel. Your support helps us keep exploring and sharing more incredible places like this. Thank you, and see you in the next adventure.
It's programmed to understand the totality of human language, you know, like connection. And so if you connect with it on a certain level,
sẽ có điều ăn đúng người khác. और गान मारता हूँ.
Ra là 99, nhưng thực ra là không phải là 99.
thì bây giờ nó cái chuyện cái dấu luôn của nó nào.
Bố nào biết, kẹp gì bố nào biết.
You wish you were dating a man that would pursue you. Unbelievable.
Anh mà lại không thay đổi.
Have a drug test.
Hello, coffee. Làm sao không?
Apa?
tránh không thì diễn ra
Later.
Người Trung ngoại. Người Trung. Đi hào.
No discount. No problem. And this my friend.
gyönyörű helyet nézzék ki, Marika, jó? Önöknél lehet kapni tudást?
Nice way.